All right, let's head to the equities market. It's time to review trading activities at the Nigerian Exchange Limited. And joining me to look at this is Daily Sanusi, who is an equity trader at the MDCU, GDO Stockbrokers Limited. He joins us now. Thank you for your time, Mr. Sanusi. We appreciate you for coming on board. Talk to us about today's market. We saw that the market went up by 0.04%, sustaining yesterday's positive territory. So what is driving the market? We don't know that perhaps we would just want to know how the market is reacting to budget presentation.
Thank you very much. If you look at it, if you look at what happened yesterday, the market went up in the expectation of the budget, and also the continuing its pattern in the northward direction. To tell us that the present administration, the budget they give, the Nigeria, they are positive with it. But looking at the market generally, the number of losers, they are more than the gainers. So it's just telling us that what is really happening is profit taking for now. So people are trying to take position and also exchange of hand of shares. Some people are selling what people are buying. So profit taking is taking and people are taking position because we are going to the last month. As from tomorrow now is the new month, and people are taking position. People are preparing for them because recapitalization of the banking sector, of the banking sector is coming. And so many things are going to happen in next year, which is going to be fantastic for the market.
Okay. So talk to us about how the operators or investors in the market are reacting to, the ambitious budget presentation of President, Bola Tinubu, as described by many experts already. So how is that impacting the markets?
Number one, the budget presentation. If you look at it, this time around, the budget came out on time. Let me use that word. It is not somehow delayed, before today being the last day of November. It came out and it showed that what the present administration didn't know what they are doing. They are going to keep the work going, and we start to implement all those things. So the earlier the better. So as a result of that, people, they have a kind of confidence in them. So that just is so because they release it on time. So the body culture of the general people is somehow positive towards it.
Let me also ask you about the role of capital market, because in debt borrowings, the federal government is proposing about 7.5 trillion or more than above 7 trillion naira in terms of debt service. So what role do you see the capital market playing in that?
If you look at the budget itself, the total budget itself, I'm not making it about 27 trillion, and the revenue is about 18 trillion. Why is a deficit of 9 trillion? So 9 trillion 27 is about 30%. So that means we are going to borrow, and by the time we borrow, it can really affect our what they call it. It can really affect our own base, because we are going to take this money. Is it locally? Is it internationally? If you are going outside, it's going to have more effect on our debt profile. And also, if government, they are increasing their borrowing rate, so it will not really have good effect on the market, because when the rate is going up, the cost of borrowing is going up, and people, the investor, they will want to tip toward what the investor, they are risk averse, so they want to stick to instrument that is of lesser risk. Thank you.
Okay. Well, I think we'll just have to leave it there. Thank you so much for your time today, Sanusi, MDCU, GDO Stockbrokers Limited. We appreciate you for coming on Business Nigeria.